Hello, dear multicellular organisms, Homo sapiens sapiens. Zoos learners, welcome back to our zoology class. In today's video module, we are going to discuss one of the 5 marks answer, that is regarding composition of urine. So, we knew what is meant by urine. Urine is nothing but the combination of a waste liquid which is amber in color due to the presence of urochrome pigment. This urochrome pigment is secreted by liver antitoxic center, especially in humans, male or female, approximately 24 hours once per day. 1 liter to 1.8 liters of urine is formed or filtered by the kidneys. What are kidneys? Kidneys are the primary excretory organs. So one pair of kidneys, bean shaped structure, either sides of the backbone towards the dorsal surface. So this is ventral surface followed by dorsal surface. Both kidneys are located bean shaped structures, we knew. The main function of the kidneys is not the formation of urine, maintenance of the osmoregulation or homeostasis in the human body. How this osmoregulation and homeostasis is maintained in the sense? Through filtration of the blood. The waste loaded blood should be filtered. Then what are the wastes which are present in the blood in the sense? Creatine, ammonia, creatinine, urea, uric acid, oxalic acid, bile salts, excess of glucose, phenolic acid, different types of volatile organic acids, vitamin C, excess of vitamin C, albumins and ketone bodies. These all are the wastes which are present in the blood due to the metabolic activities of the cells in the human body. These all should be eliminated and some should be maintained, that balance should be maintained, that is called osmoregulation or homeostasis. To maintain this process, kidneys plays major role. In that process, the urine is formed, but the kidneys are not located to form the urine. In the maintenance of homeostasis or osmoregulation, urine is formed. That is a scientific logic sentence. Remember, everybody. Then how the urine is formed in the sense with the help of nephrons. Nephrons are the basic structural functional units of kidneys, because the study of the kidneys and the physiology, anatomy, whatever it may be, related kidney is known as nephrology, and the expert is called a nephrologist. So the volatile organic acids gives the different odor and fragrance, in the sense simply we called smell to the particular person urine. Based upon the smell and albumins and ketone bodies, bile salts and glucose, phenolic acid, oxalic acid. Based on these, we can find or detect or diagnosis the person health and the person pathological condition of the body, whether he may has a disease or she may has a disease or not. The urine smell and color and different types of substances indicate as so and so disease attacked that person body through diagnosis. Coming to the percentages, in the urine, creatine 30 grams, ammonia 200 milligrams, creatinine 0.7 grams, and urea and uric acid around 0.7 to 1 grams, oxalic acid 30 milligrams approximately, and chlorides 7 grams, sodium chloride NaCl 15 grams, phosphates 1.3 grams, potash 3 grams, natrium in the sense of sodium 4.5 grams, calcium 0.3 grams, then finally magnesium 0.2 grams. So these all wastes or the substances, whatever it may be, in the urine they are containing this much percentage, and the urine pH value is slightly acidic. Whenever the person body lack the or contains insufficient of water, Then one special hormone is entered into the urine that is called ADH, Anti-Diuretic Hormone. Commonly it is also known as vasopressin. This hormone is secreted by the posterior lobe of the pituitary gland. Pituitary gland in the sense that is the master gland which controls all endocrine glands in our body. That gland has two lobes, anterior lobe, posterior lobe, and middle lobe also we can find, we will discuss later. Anterior lobe secretes around 6 hormones, posterior lobe secretes 2 hormones. Among those 2 hormones, ADH, antidiuretic hormone or vasopressin is one of the hormone. So posterior pituitary lobe is also known as neurohypophysis. So whenever that ADH enters into the urine, the color become a bright yellow and urine become highly acidic. It leads the pain near the urethra or the organ which is used to pass out the urine. Passing out the urine is known as micturition. Micturition in the sense passing out the urine by the person or an animal. So these are the substances present in the different composition or percentage in the urine. So ketone bodies are very dangerous, and excess of calcium and potash and these all leads the formation of the kidney stones in the Bowman's capsule. So how the kidney stones are formed we will be discussed in one more video or in our regular class, don't be worried. So the urine formation should not be disturbed, and the main health suggestion to everybody whomever watching this video, dear juice learners, Homo sapiens, you must consume water sufficiently. How much water we have to consume? 5 liters, 4 liters, 3 liters, 2 liters or 1 liter? Your body weight divided by 30. Your body weight divided by 30, the value whichever we are getting, that much water you have to consume every day for the proper functioning of the kidney and the formation of the urine, to maintain the homeostasis and osmoregulation by the kidneys. Take an example. Someone has 50 kilograms weight, 50 by 30 around 1.5 liters. So 1.5 to 1.6 around approximately. That much volume of the water should be consumed. Someone has 80 kgs of body weight, then 80 by 30. So what is the value? That result or the value, that volume water should be the particular person, male or female, will be consumed. So not more than or not excess than that result we should consume water. If we take excess of water, that also leads the imbalance of the body fluids, the homeostasis or the osmoregulation is disturbed. So dear everybody, your body weight by 30, the result should be taken or consume the water per day or every day. And before going to sleep, you must empty your urinary bladder. In the sense, urine stored in the urinary bladder, so we must pass out the urine, then we have to go for sleep, or else it may lead the what it is called kidney stones formation. So throughout the night urine will be filtered, I mean blood is filtered, urine drops will be formed and enter into the urinary bladder. In case if the urinary bladder is filled, minimum range is 300 ml to 400 ml, maximum range 800 ml. Then that pressure, it may be works on the ureters and renal pyramids, and finally it leads the disturbance of the functioning of the kidneys, or it may leads the formation of the kidney stones in the nephrons. So we must empty the urinary bladder. We must pass out the urine before going to bed or sleep. So consuming the water and emptying the urinary bladder or mixturation process before going to the bed. These two things if you concentrate, lifelong you never get kidney problems. So in one more video we will meet in our zoology class. Till then, Homo sapiens sapiens. Take care. Good luck.